How to use ONSHAPE for FTC. First, we're going to head over to ONSHAPE.com. We need to create an ONSHAPE account. If you're a student, go ahead and create a student account. Otherwise, create a free account. After that, you're going to need to email first@PTC with your email, requesting for the FTC parts library. In a couple of days, you should have access to the ONSHAPE parts library. Now we're going to open up ONSHAPE. I already have an account. And I'm going to create a document. I'll just name it robot. And once we're in here, we do not need the part studio. So I'm just going to head over to assembly. And I'm going to be using the Go Build a Strafer chassis. So I'm going to click insert, other documents, FTC robotics parts users, Go Build a kits, chassis kits, Strafer chassis V5, assemblies, and Strafer chassis V5. So once it inserts, I'll click check, and I can use my right click to rotate, middle click to pan, and left click to select. And that's just the basics on how to move and import a Strafer chassis in ONSHAPE.